My name is Acho. Today I'm going to show you all about a pendulum. A pendulum is something, a, a, a thing that oscillates. See? We see pendulums all around us. Swings in the park, ding-dong bells. They are also used for real-world applications. Earthquake measuring devices, metronomes used by musicians. A pendulum has something called a frequency. The frequency is how many oscillations it can do in 1 second. The longer the pendulum, the shorter the frequency. It needs more time to swing. Next, I'm going to show you a demo how length affects frequency. See? Look. Did you know that a skyscraper is also a pendulum? Actually, it is an inverted pendulum. They can sway in the wind. See? For an example, the Taipei 101 faces extreme winds. To reduce the swaying, they use something called a damper. A damper is a smaller pendulum which takes energy away from the larger pendulum, which in this case is the skyscraper. But remember, the damper must be tuned to the frequency of the skyscraper, otherwise it won't work. Assume this is a skyscraper. Let's see how long will it take to settle down. 3. Now I'm going to add a damper. And let's see if it takes more time or less time. Swing it. I hope you learned some cool stuff about pendulums. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!